So in this video, we're going to see how we can import Viking Village URP into any URP project without having the errors in the latest LTS version. So let's go and create a project first, and we're going to go with the latest LTS, which is this one. Now, if you're using preview, you might end up with some errors. So make sure to have the latest LTS instead. Here you go, and don't want to connect to cloud, as there's no need for that, unless you really want to do that. And I'm just going to call this the Viking Village tutorial. So I'm going to import the package in this. And here it is. I'm going to speed up to the process. It might take you a while to get the project creation, but I just sped it up. Now in my assets, I'm just going to find the Viking Village package. So here it is. I'm going to click import. And here it asks you to switch project or import. We can just click on import because we just created an empty project. And there's the dependencies, just click install. And here it shows everything that we need to import new, and it's going to override our settings, so let's do that. Now it's going to compile and then start some really long process. This might take a while, but I just sped the video up here, so it's going to go quite fast. Alright, so we've got the package folder there. We've got some warnings, but they really are not of our interest. We can just get them. And here's the scene. If we double click on this, here it loads the shader. And yes, we're done. And as you can see, we've got the whole Viking Village, all the fire shaders, and also the most important part, the water. So this water is from the boat attack. It's also got buoyancy. This is stripped in the boat attack folder. And as you can see, they've also made a crane, which looks pretty cool. So these models are really good looking for making a village. And you can see it's animated, so it just rotates that object over there, and you can see we've got quite a lot of boats as well. One's in here, one's there, quite a few. We've got a lot of buildings, towers, and other stuff. And if we hit play, the camera loop starts, which is just a animated camera. And if you press C, we can come to this FPS view, it's the flying rigid body. As you can see, I was in Apple M1 Pro, and this is just a rigid body FPS controller. It's got a radius of 0.5. If I turn this thing off, this forcefully accessible volume, I can jump into the water. And yes, it's flying, so you can just double click on this place, and it's gonna go into flying mode. As you can see, this is where the thingy was moving round, and it's animated. So if I just come and land on this, try and land on it. If you double click again, then you actually go back to the original one. And you can see it's still rotating, and we can go back flying somewhere else. And we can land on this village house. That was some. So it looked like the shading graph was completely converted, or something was wrong there. You saw my computer was doing something, and the whole game just went mad. And this camera loop, as we did not see previously, it's just gonna go through quite a place. So it's actually animated, I think, or is it using the timer? What's wrong with the animated? As you can see, there's an animated component. As you can see, it's showing that dragon. And then through this area, just going to go flying around with it. So this project just demonstrates the URP capabilities. It's got a fire effect. We've got some smoke, as you can see, and much more in this package. So make sure to use this. It's freely available on the App Store, as shown in the start of the video. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you see this is a control, so just wait for that. So you can see we have the buoyant object here. And if you drag that directly, otherwise it doesn't come. And you can see we've got quite a lot of vegetation that's been used as well. actually have see what it just proves that it's actually from there. No, what did I just do here? Oops, something wrong. I just did something. Let's cause my water to come at me. I'll just delete the original one. What do I do here? Let me just see what this one's doing. So let me delete this one again. Disable it. Disable this one and renable it. Okay, the water's back on. So that was just some overriding going on with the two water components in this game. But anyway, that's gonna be the end of this video, and we have imported the Viking Village package without any errors. As you can see, nothing wrong. So hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe and like.